pick up the car, put on the new Y pipe, and see what's going on under there. The last open drift, it was feeling kind of sloppy in the transmission area. I had done the transmission mount, a solid one instead of the normal one. I'm just wondering if some stuff got loose under there, so got some Loctite here and some new hardware for the exhaust, and then yeah, we're just going to tighten everything up in there, through the new Y pipe on, and see if that fixes our issues. Hopefully that'll tighten things up for shifting and get us back to where we can drift on this thing without worrying about it. Because the last time it was tough to like throw it when I'm worried, like, is it really okay? Is it goofing up, you know? So yeah, I'm hoping new Y pipe, tighten everything up on there, transmission will stiffen up a little more, and we can get back to just drifting. All right, got the car up, got jack stands, and then some old wheels under there for safety. I'm gonna pull out that Y pipe, check all the trans mount stuff, make sure that's on there good. We'll get under there, tighten things up, and see how it looks. Okay, Y pipe is out. That didn't take long, but I unfortunately noticed that this guy was stripped out. So I gotta figure out how to tap that and put a new bolt in that. So that's gonna be fun. But let's focus on the fun stuff. There's the old one versus the new one. It's got a little wider hips on the new one. Heard I'm about to remove some of the exhaust shielding under there. On the sides and the back. That guy. Right there. That one on that side right there as well. We'll see. We'll throw it under there and see how she fits. And if it hits something, we'll have to yank it out. Alright, we got the new Y pipe on. Everything fits up pretty good. New gaskets, new hardware, thanks to DC Sports and the guy on Facebook Marketplace who actually had it new. Pretty easy install. The old one came off pretty easy because I had it off not too long ago, so nothing was really rusty or stuck. It should give it a nice sound now. A lot more flow through there than the old one. The old one was pretty restrictive. So we've got the stock headers, test pipes, DC Sports, Y pipe, a resonator, and then straight out the back to two. So only one muffler / resonator on here, but it's not completely straight piped at least. Now, let's just take a look under here, make sure nothing's leaking, obviously. Over here. Better are we? Okay, no more leak. Tiny leak. Go back. Alright. That's about it. Car's up in the air again. Couldn't help myself. Got the eBay single exit. So, even before I could finish editing and putting out this video, I had to get the other one and put it on. So, throw it on, do another sound check. Alright, the front's unbolted. Fun part is now just getting these undone, these hangers, and then just yanking this thing out of here. Alright, got it down. That one popped off the upper hanger. That one was just easier to slide out that way, but it's off. Okay, midsection is in. Got it ready for the tail section. Gotta get this ready for the hanger. Put some lube on it and throw it in there and then bolt them up. They're loose right now. Then I'll have to slowly tighten them down as I tuck everything, try and get it up as high as possible without hitting the body, so I don't scrape this up as bad as I did the last one. Alright, new exhaust is hung. Everything lines up. I found out I'm missing an exhaust hanger right in front of my diff there. It broke off, so I gotta get a new one welded on, but that's it. We're gonna tighten everything up and then we'll get a start. Alright, so that's loud. Drift car stuff, you know. At least it'll make it a lot easier for me to get a jack under here now, get to the rear diff and everything. But yeah, the old setup made that a pain in the butt. New, now look at all that room just to slide a jack right under there and lift it up. But yeah, there she is. Now got Flashark Test Pipes, DC ports, Y pipe, and the eBay single exit. So, only thing stock on it now is the exhaust manifolds. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Take it easy.